My name is Gregory Rodriguez. I'm an aircraft mechanic for Pima Airlines. Worked at Pima for close to 2 years already. I got my job as soon as I graduated from AIM, thanks to a partnership that they had. I think it's one of the best things that can ever happen to a school, and you got great people to help you at the school. Everything from servicing the tire to servicing the engine. That's another great part of Pima. They teach you how to do everything that you need to know. It's a great stepping stone to start your career on an airline business. I like to tell my AIM guys to keep pushing forward. This is worthy. It will take you some time to achieve what you want, but it will get there. And to my people at Pima, I know we went through a kind of a hard time with COVID still going, but we're gonna get over this and we're gonna keep going strong.